Ella's mum, Sandy, and I are understandably incredibly proud of Ella. And when she and Josh blessed Sandy, Rich, Tanya and me with Bonnie, that level of pride just went up that extra level. It really did. I have to say, Josh is one of the most laid-back people I've ever come across in my life, to the point of being pretty much horizontal all the time from that side. But if I was to be able to choose the perfect partner for Ella, Josh would absolutely be that man. As the perfect dad to Bonnie as well, from that side of things. If somebody was to ask me how I would describe Ella, I'd say she's one of the most kind, warm-hearted and loving people I know.
I do solemnly declare
that I know not
that I know not
of any lawful impediment
of any lawful impediment
why I, Joshua Ian Bennett,
why I, Joshua Ian Bennett,
may not be joined in matrimony
may not be joined in matrimony
to Eleanor Alexandra Gillian Ridley.
to Eleanor Alexandra Gillian Ridley.
I, Eleanor Alexandra Gillian Ridley,
Take you,
Joshua Ian Bennett,
to be my wedded husband.
to be my wedded husband.
Ella, I give you this ring
As a symbol of our marriage
as a symbol of our marriage,
and as a sign of my solemn promise
a sign of my solemn promise
to show you love, loyalty and respect.
to show you love, loyalty and respect.
I give you everything that I am
I give you everything that I am
and ever hope to be.
and ever hope to be.
I will be faithful,
I will be faithful,
both in good times and bad.
both in good times and bad.
I will share my life with you,
I will share my life with you,
and I promise to love you always.
and I promise to love you always.
So I therefore have enormous pleasure in confirming that you are now indeed husband and wife, and I would like to invite you please to take your first married kiss. Congratulations.
said yes to things that felt fast. A home, a van, it didn't all last. To our 2 dogs, Morris and Rod, one's mostly chaos, the other's just odd. We said yes to the biggest leap of all, a baby so beautiful and a huge personality for somebody so small. None of it felt like too much to do because every decision was made with you. With you, the big things just felt right. With you, none of our dreams are out of sight. No need for plans drawn out in pen. You make me brave over and over again. Not by pushing, but by standing near. You make the bold feel like nothing to fear. So if they ask how we came through, I'll say we leapt. Because it was us, because it's you.
And in the mornings when our hands are busy with small rituals, yours in the sink washing up last night's couldn't quite be bothered, and mine somehow gluing breakfast together, I'll think, even in the silence of routine, we can build something extraordinary. So look, whilst I'm certain that we are destined for greater adventure than this, if our worst case scenario culminates in coffee always brewing and music always on, well, I think that sounds pretty nice, actually.
The two of you really are the perfect team, and this has been more evident than ever since you became parents to the beautiful Bonnie. The fact you're such amazing parents was never in doubt, and it's a real pleasure seeing Bon grow with you as a family. She's never without a smile, and her cheeky, confident nature is a real credit to you both.
Ella, you've also taught me a great deal about what it means to be a friend, or should I say, fiancé friend. Kindness conquers all, that the smallest gestures often have the biggest impacts, and that life would be nothing without a little schnack. Molly and I are forever grateful for the friendship that we have with you, and watching Bon grow as our fairly odd parents is our greatest joy. We could only dream of making Chug as happy as you do. You have made our best mate, a great friend, a great father, and the greatest version of himself.